Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily 10 Words.
I'm Edvin, and this is episode 2, and we've got 10 brand new words for you.
Before we start, if you're enjoying the series, we'd really appreciate it if you hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.
It genuinely helps us out. Okay, let's jump right in. Word number 1, persistent.
Persistent. Edvin, can you break it down for us?
Pronounced persistent. It's an adjective, meaning continuing firmly despite difficulty or opposition.
Here's how you'd use it. She was persistent and finally got the interview.
And my little brother is persistent about wanting a dog.
Me too. Say it with me, persistent.
Persistent comes from the Latin persistere, meaning to stand firmly.
That same root gives us insist and resist.
I'm persistent about snacks, honestly, more than anything else.
Word number 2. Reluctant.
Reluctant. Serah, can you break it down for us?
Pronounced reluctant. It's an adjective, meaning unwilling and hesitant to do something.
Here's how you'd use it. He was reluctant to try the spicy noodles.
And I'm always reluctant to get out of bed on Mondays.
Me too. Say it with me, reluctant.
Reluctant comes from the Latin reluctare, meaning to struggle against.
So literally, part of you is fighting the decision.
I'm reluctant to admit it, but Mondays win every time.
Word number 3, accomplish.
Accomplish. Edvin, can you break it down for us?
Pronounced accomplish. It's a verb, meaning to succeed in doing or finishing something.
Here's how you'd use it. We accomplished so much on this project already.
And she accomplished her goal of running a marathon.
Me too. Say it with me, accomplish.
Accomplish comes from the Latin complere, meaning to complete.
That same root also gives us complete and complement.
Today I accomplished exactly 1 load of laundry, and I'm proud of it.
Word number 4, anxious.
Anxious. Serah, can you break it down for us?
Pronounced angkshus. It's an adjective, meaning feeling worried or nervous about something uncertain.
Here's how you'd use it. She felt anxious before her big presentation.
And I get anxious whenever my phone battery hits 10%.
Me too. Say it with me, anxious.
Anxious comes from the Latin anger, meaning to choke or squeeze.
That same root shows up in anguish and anxiety.
I'm anxious just watching other people run late.
Word number 5, compromise.
Compromise. Edvin, can you break it down for us?
Pronounced compromise. It's a verb, meaning to settle a disagreement by each side accepting less than they wanted.
Here's how you'd use it. They compromised and split the bill evenly.
And we compromised on a movie we both kind of wanted to see.
Me too. Say it with me, compromise.
Compromise comes from the Latin compromitter, meaning to make a mutual promise.
So the original idea was really about promising together.
I compromise on pizza toppings, but never on dessert.
Word number 6, fragile.
Fragile. Serah, can you break it down for us?
Pronounced frajuhl. It's an adjective, meaning easily broken, damaged, or destroyed.
Here's how you'd use it. Please be careful, that vase is fragile.
And my phone screen is so fragile it cracked from a soft carpet.
Me too. Say it with me, fragile.
Fragile comes from the Latin fragilis, meaning easily broken.
That same root gives us fracture and fragment.
My motivation on a Monday morning is extremely fragile.
Word number 7, optimistic.
Optimistic. Edvin, can you break it down for us?
Pronounced optimistic. It's an adjective, meaning hopeful and confident about the future.
Here's how you'd use it. She stayed optimistic even after a tough week.
And I'm optimistic the traffic will clear up soon.
Me too. Say it with me, optimistic.
Optimistic comes from the Latin optimum, meaning best.
So an optimist always expects the best outcome.
I'm optimistic about my diet, right up until I see the menu.
Word number 8, humble.
Humble. Serah, can you break it down for us?
Pronounced humble. It's an adjective, meaning not thinking you are better or more important than others.
Here's how you'd use it. Despite winning, she stayed humble about it.
And he's humble about his cooking, even though it's amazing.
Me too. Say it with me, humble.
Humble comes from the Latin humilis, meaning low or grounded.
That same root gives us humility, and even humus or soil.
I try to be humble, but my playlist is objectively perfect.
Word number 9. Insight.
Insight. Edvin, can you break it down for us?
Pronounced insight. It's a noun, meaning a clear, deep understanding of something.
Here's how you'd use it. Her feedback gave us real insight into the problem.
And reading that book gave me insight into my own habits.
Me too. Say it with me, insight.
Insight comes from combining in with sight, literally, seeing inward.
So it's about seeing past the surface of something.
My biggest insight this week: coffee before decisions, always.
Word number 10. Vivid.
Vivid. Serah, can you break it down for us?
Pronounced vivid. It's an adjective, meaning producing powerful, clear images in the mind. Very bright or intense.
Here's how you'd use it. She has vivid memories of her first day of school.
And the sunset painted the sky in vivid orange and pink.
Me too. Say it with me, vivid.
Vivid comes from the Latin vivere, meaning to live.
So something vivid basically feels alive.
I have a vivid memory of embarrassing myself in 3rd grade. All right, quiz time. Let's see how much you remember.
Question 1. Which word means unwilling and hesitant to do something?
Reluctant.
Question 2. Which word means feeling worried or nervous about something uncertain?
Anxious.
Question 3. Which word means easily broken, damaged, or destroyed?
Fragile.
Question 4. Which word means not thinking you are better or more important than others?
Humble.
Question 5. Which word means producing powerful, clear images in the mind, very bright or intense?
Vivid.
Great job, everyone.
That's it for today's 10 words.
Practice using them in a sentence and drop it in the comments.
See you next time for episode 3 of Daily 10 Words.
Bye everyone.